Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel with a new video. So today this video is about how to change YouTube channel name. If you have a YouTube channel and you have a channel name but you want to change your channel name, so this video is for you. So let's start the video. First of all, like this video, subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. Don't forget to share the video, and in comment box please tell me if you like this video. So let's move to the video. So first of all, you have to do is basic step. Go to your YouTube channel, go to YouTube app and search for your channel. After selecting your channel, here you can see I'm searching my channel. This is my channel and now I'm going to change this channel name. So you can also see how you can easily change your channel's name. So now you can see there is a pencil style icon on many videos. You have to press on that. Now here you can see on the name, you have to touch on a name. After touching on a name, press the name option right here under handle, upper the handle option. After pressing on this option, you can easily change the name of your channel right now in few seconds. Here you can see there are two options visible to anyone on YouTube. Like if you're changing your YouTube channel, they will be visible to all the YouTube channel, like all the your channel name will be changed from YouTube. So the next is change to your name will reflect it only on YouTube. You can change your channel name twice in 14 days. Like you can change your name, it's a policy that you can change only 2 times your name in 14 days. Like per week you can change your channel name once. So here are the policies and this is the video for you are looking for if you want to change your channel's name. So by using this tab you can easily change your channel name, and if you want to edit your channel, you can easily edit your channel from here: channel name, channel handle name, description and anything. Hope so this video is for you like this video, and don't forget to hit the bell icon, subscribe the channel and stay tuned for the next video. Thank you so much for watching the video.